How is attribute data used in mapping? Imagine you're looking at a map and wondering what makes each place special beyond just its location. That's where attribute data comes into play. It adds details that turn simple maps into stories about the places they show. In mapping, attribute data is information linked to specific features like points, lines, or areas on the map. For example, a point might representing a school, and its attribute data could include the school's name, type, and number of students. This makes the map more than just a picture. It becomes a tool to learn about what each feature really is. When creating simple data maps for students, attribute data helps make geography more interesting. Think about a map of a city that shows parks. The attribute data could tell students the size of each park, what activities are available, or how many trees are there. Students can click on a park and see all this information, making the map interactive and fun. It helps them connect the dots between the map and real-world facts. Linking data to locations is the first step. Each feature on the map is connected to a row in a table where details are stored. For example, a school point on the map links to a row with the school's name, grade levels, and student count. This connection allows the map to display specific details about each feature. It's like giving each place its own profile, making the map more meaningful. Adding context is another key use. Attribute data provides labels, categories, or numbers that help users understand what they are seeing. For example, a map might use different colors to show population sizes in different areas. Larger populations could be shown in darker shades, helping students see patterns at a glance. Labels like city names or landmarks also come from attribute data, making the map easier to read. Maps become more than just visual aids when attribute data is used to show patterns. For example, a map could highlight areas with high or low temperatures by coloring regions accordingly. This visual pattern helps students notice differences and understand how geography affects weather, land use, or other features. Interactive maps are especially helpful for students. When they click on a feature, a box can pop up showing its attribute data. This hands-on approach makes learning active and engaging. Students can explore different places and learn facts about each one without leaving their seats. It turns geography lessons into a fun discovery process. Creating accurate maps also involves matching attribute data from different sources. Sometimes, data from one dataset needs to be aligned with another. For example, if you have a list of school names and their locations, you need to make sure the names match exactly so the data appears correctly on the map. This process ensures the information is reliable and clear. In summary, attribute data makes maps more than just pictures of places. It adds details that help students understand what they are looking at and why it matters. By linking data to locations, adding context, showing patterns, and enabling interaction, attribute data transforms simple maps into powerful learning tools that make geography accessible and fun for students of all ages.